Now, most of us aren't into AI as much as Stephen Thaler. We do simple things, prompts, asking AI for things, and we make common mistakes. And let me remind you a couple of really quick things that'll make you better. The style trap. It's so easy to just copy other people's styles and get your questions and things, and it works, but that's when you start relying on AI so much that it just becomes sort of bad. The vagueness problem. You don't want to say, tell me how to make this better, or what's my style? You need to teach it to learn from example, not asking it questions, because what it's going to do is go out to everyone else and come up with something. The more you direct it, the better it can get to its where it needs to go. Be specific. Analyze how I explain technical concepts to non-technical users and identify patterns in my email openings that might be creating confusion. These are two that I've done because I want to know what I'm doing wrong as an opinion. All of this is opinion. And remember, even what you think is opinion, not truth. There is no true data. That data-driven thing, it's nice and it is good to be data-driven, but data isn't truth. You have an opinion about what that data teaches you. Expectations are poison in any business, but particularly in AI, because what you're reading is a bunch of people who are selling you AI, and you're making your anger and feelings out of thinking it's going to fill some gap for free. This is life. Don't get angry at it. Everything's a probability. When you learn this, if there's one skill in AI, we're in a quantum world. It's probability, not A or B, truth, binary. It's maybe it's going to go this way. And if it doesn't, what do we do? Because that's the other part. Iterate, change, treat yourself like you would software. Sound weird? You are a style that constantly develops, just like software. You don't even have to be technical. Just keep looking at it, improving, and saying, hey, maybe you just keep doing the same thing. Then shake it up a bit. So you could say, here's a template. I am the founder of the AI Optimist, and I'm working on a specific goal to gather all I've been doing into a book and training that I'm going to put out. Here's a sample that demonstrates my natural communication style. And then I would include example of the training I'm doing. That's how it gets an idea of what my voice is. And then the probability helps because it gives it the focus of your voice, not someone else's. And when you start there, that's when you get the best things out of AI. How does someone recognize your unique style in a world where AI is processing the same information we all consume on social all over the place? The great collective soup is being shown every day. And that's a challenge. How do you stand out? It was hard enough when we didn't even know. But now you have to stand out and not just be a replicant AI content creator, a memo generator. I would love it if you used AI for everything. If it mattered, if it solved that problem, use AI to identify what elements feel natural and distinctive, and then work to develop those elements. Use it to develop, and we're talking memos. This doesn't have to be like writing a book, but if it is, the same approach applies. For established people who are good, your challenge is getting out of creative ruts. You should use AI to reinforce and challenge you, radical candor, be able to come as an opposer to you, show you the opposite of what you're doing. I love doing that. What's the total opposite? What's the thing I don't want to do? By using AI to do that, that's actually one of the easier beginning points, right? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Then you get to the good stuff. But see what you've just done? You've told it what you consider is not good and what is good. You've given it judgment. It needs your help for that. A few weeks ago, I was talking with Bruce Randall, AI strategist. Now, he's worked with many big enterprises, and he's also releasing his own book. And we talked about copyright, AI, and putting it out on the internet. Is there any way to protect yourself?